This week brought what seems like unbearable sadness. 3 of our precious residents passed, along with 1 staff member. Another of our behavioral health participants also passed away on Saturday. Our prayers go out to their families, as the entire Jawonio family mourns. I have called upon all mental health professionals from our programs to devote time to helping our staff and consumers get through these horrific losses. I have also reached out to Amy Stern, CEO of Hospice, to help us with bereavement services. We are one community. Despite staff and consumers being diagnosed with COVID-19, the majority of residents and staff who have contracted the virus are being managed at home. Many have recovered. However, some remain critically ill. Despite this, our work continues. As I outlined last week, I salute our brave and committed direct care, medical, and clinical staff who are continuing to come to work every day, knowing that they may be working multiple shifts to ensure the residents are engaged and their needs are met. Our physical therapists have the equipment and help they need to provide regular therapy to our adults, many of whom start to deteriorate if their regular movement therapies are not maintained. I have given our therapists permission to provide this therapy to their regular consumers in our homes, despite lack of payment from some funders. I ask you to consider supporting Jawonio to defray these costs that are unreimbursable, but needed to maintain mobility and good health. In the depths of darkness, a light always appears. This week, we received handmade, non-medical grade masks made by Liz Zerla, along with her daughter Lindsay, and Ellen Lehner, with material donated by Marcy Sachs from Romancing the Home Interiors, among others. On each is a tag reading, "Not all heroes wear capes. Thank you for all you are doing on the front lines." We plan to distribute them to our staff to wear over their medical grade masks. Now the people in our residences will not be taken care of by people in sterile masks, as they will be behind these brightly colored ones. I just want to show you an act of kindness that will brighten the smiles of our over 125 individuals throughout our homes and apartments. A private foundation that supports one of our underfunded programs lifted restrictions to allow us to provide more flexibility to use their dollars in areas of the most need. And Mother Caprini Foundation has invited us to immediately apply for monies to assist our most vulnerable. There are no words to express our gratitude for these acts of kindness. Despite the challenges we currently face, Jawonio continues to plan for the future. The construction efforts on our main campus continue, and we look forward to moving in May or June. Today, the first lamppost went in, demonstrating another milestone towards the redevelopment of our campus. Yesterday, I was notified by Senator Carlucci that despite a difficult budget year, he secured a $90,000 grant to provide training and support to the families and caretakers who are keeping their autistic children at home. The money will also assist Jawonio in providing day services to young adults leaving the school system who have significant mood and behavior disorders. This program will open in the space made available in our new building. We all know the pandemic will run its course. However, the way we live will inevitably be altered. My hope is that more emphasis will be placed on equality and justice for those marginalized in our society. I hope these updates are helpful in keeping you apprised of how Jawonio is being affected by and responding to the pandemic. Today, in memoriam, the flags flying at Jawonio's main sites will be lowered to half-mast in recognition of those we have lost in our communities and at Jawonio. I assure you, there are better days ahead. For today, let's follow the directions of the Center of Disease Control and the Department of Health, and remember, we are stronger together.